All right, guys, so just got to the house, got the tires loaded up, and we're about to open up these wheels, see what they look like, and then go up to the shop and start getting them put on the truck. All right, about to get these things loaded up and open them up, see what they look like. So the tires we're gonna be running on these is the Ironman iMove Gen 2s. They're 275 40/22. So if you guys are looking for what size tire you should run, there's a size comparison calculator online. You can just go in there, type in your new tire size versus your old tire size, 245 70 17, and these are literally like not even a ½ inch difference. So that's what we're going to be running. That way it keeps their speedometer and stuff the same. I shouldn't have any rub issues because I don't have any rub issues with these. So it's just a 2.4 drop. All right, so without further ado, check these things out. Like I said, I've had these for probably about 4 or 5 months, and it's been pretty hard not to open them up. Look at that. You guys ready for these? So you got the RACELINE. I tell you, man, they package their wheels so good. Try to keep them from getting damaged in the box, but oh yeah. These are 22 by 9. I think they're called RACELINE spike wheels. Those are gonna look sick. All black. These wheels look awesome. So they're a real faced wheel. I think they're gonna look super good on the truck. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. But yeah, these wheels are gonna look awesome. It was so hard not to open them up over the last couple months, but man, they look way better in person than they do online in the pictures. So super stoked. Let's get these things loaded up and get them on the truck. And we're also gonna paint the calipers and stuff while we have the wheels off. So I'll show you what that looks like too. But yeah, stay tuned. Don't just skip to the end. Just stay tuned and see how this thing turns out. It's gonna look sweet. All right, we're loaded up. We are loaded up and ready to go. So let's head back to work. And last time we'll be seeing the Sierra build on stocks. So we still got some more stuff to do to this thing before Daytona. So hope you guys really like this build as much as I do. So let's get going. All right, guys, so we got the truck up on the lift, about to put the wheels on, put the old wheels off. Don't want to show you the new wheels yet, but we're gonna clean up these drums, sand them all down, hit them with a wire brush. Same thing with the calipers, start getting the calipers painted. I already went ahead and had one of the guys up at work resurface my rotors because I started to feel a little vibration. Already got the alignment done. So we're gonna get to cleaning up the calipers on it. We're gonna paint those with PLR 15. Then we're gonna throw the wheels on. So guys, please don't skip to the back. Just stay tuned. Check out these brakes. They're gonna look sick. Can put wheels on it with the brakes looking crappy. So let's get to it. All right, so we got Addison torquing down the lug nuts on the truck, getting these wheels put on, and then we're about to pull this thing outside. I think we should show them what it looks like. Does it look pretty good? Yeah, it looks pretty sick. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get this door rolled up and get the truck off the lift, roll it outside, and then we're finally gonna do the review for y'all. Show you what the wheels look like. They look awesome. It's a day later because I had to let the caliper paint set up. So I just left it in the garage over the weekend. And we're up here trying to put these on to show you guys what it looks like. And man, I can't thank RACELINE wheels enough because these things look awesome. You think, Addy, look awesome? Yeah, you stoked?
Yes.
You ready for Daytona?
Yes.
she is, guys. Looks sweet. We're gonna pull it around over to the sun by the truck over there. Show you guys what it looks like in the sunlight. So there it is. These are the 22-inch RACELINE black spike wheels. They look amazing. Way better in person than they do on the website. Super blown away. Truck's looking sick. I think the red and black combo looks really good. So we gotta get the windows tinted still. Gotta get the stereo put in, and got a sponsorship on some lights, so we gotta get them put in underneath. But the truck is looking awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The 05 Sierra build for Daytona Truck Meet. It's not the craziest build out there, but super clean. And then if you're just checking in, this is my F250 build that we did. It was at Daytona 2 years ago. It was down for a year. So bringing this one back on some RACELINE forged 2212. So that's going to Daytona, and so is the red truck. So we'll definitely be out there Saturday and Sunday. Friday, still up in the air right now, but at least be out there Saturday and Sunday. So appreciate everybody watching. Sorry this is kind of a short video, but shout out again to RACELINE wheels. I'll put a link down below, so you guys make sure you go check them out. Man, I'm just blown away. Wheels look so good. So yeah, go check out RACELINE wheels. It was definitely worth it. Painting the drums and the calipers while I had the wheels off. You know, I wanted to throw the wheels on there, but slow, just wanted to do it right. So looks so good, man. The black emblems, man, blown away. So we're gonna get this thing back in the garage, and then back to work tomorrow. So hopefully I have this video loaded up for you guys. I gotta go home and edit it, and then have it out there. So alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys on the next one.